Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I am actually headed out this afternoon to go to Minnesota for Christmas to visit some of my extended family. And I wanted to show you what's in my travel makeup bag and my travel toiletry bag. I always enjoy seeing these kinds of videos from other people, so I thought I would do one for myself. There is a fly in here that is driving me crazy, and if you hear it throughout this video, no you don't. I'm just realizing I didn't put on my microphone, but I will do that once we start going through everything. But hopefully you don't hear the fly. And yeah, let's just get started. All right, this is my cutie little makeup bag. I take this traveling with me all the time. I've got a little pocket here that I end up putting my brushes and then two other ones on the other side for just miscellaneous stuff. Let's first go through the complexion products I picked out. Like I said, I'm going to Minnesota, so it's gonna be very dry. So these are both very hydrating, and I'm just bringing powder along with me to kind of counteract that for like staying power purposes, but I really need the hydration. I've been loving this and I've been wanting to work my way through it. And then this one as well, I know it's a more of a clean product, so I'm hoping to use it up before it goes bad. And it's just the perfect creamy formula for the Midwest and for cold weather. So put those in there. I'm only going to bring my tiny little Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. I use this under my eyes. So I'll basically only set the Kulfi concealer with this. I don't really do the rest of my face, but it is good for making the concealer under my eyes last longer. And then going straight into Color Cosmetics for the complexion. This is a really fun cream makeup palette that I have been enjoying a bunch. So these are going to be my only bronzer and highlighting shades, and then I have this blush to choose from, and then also the e.l.f. Putty Blush in the shade Maldives. So those are both great options. Again, very hydrating, and it's nice and compact, which is what I definitely need. These are the eye products that I'm bringing. This is a really nice inner corner highlight shade from Ulta Beauty. It's in the shade Whatevs. And then for just a basic eyeshadow primer, I'm going to put my CoverGirl Lid Lockup in. This I can use without an eyeshadow primer. It's just a cream shadow, the Rimmel Wonder Cloud in Spice Petal. Love this formula. And then this is newer to me, the Danessa Myricks Color Fix Stick. This is the foil side, and I just figured I could top this product with this. It's a pretty easy look. This is just a basic brown liner in case I want to do a thin line on my lash line. And then my brown mascara that I have open right now, the Revolution Wrap Lash. My Believe Beauty Brow Styling Gel. For lips, I pulled my Maybelline Lifter Liner. This is in the shade Out of Line. And then the Summer Fridays Iced Coffee Lip Butter Balm. Smells delicious. And my one and only setting spray, it's the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Prime Set and Refresh Spray. This is a great option for my super dry skin right now. Here are the brushes I'm going to bring. I keep the teal and pink ones in my makeup bag all the time, so I'll just put those back in. Complexion Duo brush from e.l.f. I love this thing. A spoolie for my eyebrows. This is for my inner corner. I use the cream bronzer and cream blush with this. And then this is for that cream eyeshadow from Rimmel. And I normally use this for powder bronzer, but I guess I don't really need that this time around. And then I use this microfiber sponge for setting my under eyes with that Laura Mercier powder. And then Lumify if I feel like I need to whiten my eyes at all on a special occasion day like Christmas Day. And then I always bring a clean rag with me to control the amount of product that's on my brush. So that's my makeup bag. Nice and compact. And then let's move on to my toiletries. I did already pack this bag, but I'll go through everything with you. First of all, my mouth guard. You don't want to see that, but I grind my teeth at night, so definitely packing that. This is the Round Lab facial cleanser. I'm not sure the specific name because obviously it's in Korean here, but this is a really nice product. I've been enjoying this. I got this from a friend and I'm taking it with me every time I travel. This is just the depotted CeraVe moisturizing cream. I just have a ton of this to make sure that I'm staying hydrated. I haven't tried this yet. I figured an intensive hydration serum would be good, so I'm going to test this out. The one I love, the Centilla Madagascar Ampule, is a big glass bottle, so I'm not gonna bring that on a trip. I'm afraid that would break and it's really heavy, but hopefully this is a good substitute. This is a depotted cleansing balm. The Clinique one is in there right now. I just keep this container because it's nice and small and reuse it. Then this is my sunscreen of choice these days. It's a bit more matte, but I am enjoying it because I'm layering a lot of hydrating products over and under it. And then I always do Old Spice deodorant. They just work really well on me. I sweat a lot, so men's deodorant works best on me. This is the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast B5 gel. It's like a skin protectant if you have really dry skin or like an irritated eczema spot. I use that on my face if there's like really dry areas. And then just the free toothpaste that I get from the dentist, a couple of hair ties in case I want to do a little half up, half down. I got some flossers, and then I have a foldable toothbrush down there from Target. And over on this side, this is the body wash I've been using since like middle school. And I just reused this bottle and filled up with the one I have in my shower. So I love that. This is a First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Body Lotion. This is really great while I've been super itchy on Accutane. I have some panty liners, a couple of face masks down there. I love these little wrist things for washing my face so the water doesn't run down to my elbows. A little hairbrush because I've styled my hair in like a blowout instead of curly because it's easier to maintain. Another body lotion. I haven't tried this yet, but it's better to have more body lotion than not enough. So when it's small enough to pack. I have some of my contacts, a bottle of multi-purpose contact solution, my contact case, and then a small travel thing of the Glossier You perfume. It's a roller ball. And then my glasses case, which I end up putting this in my carry-on backpack, just so if I want to take a nap, I take my glasses off and they don't get crushed. But that's it. We are all packed and ready to go. I thank you so much for joining me, keeping me company while I packed up. I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas with your family and your friends. I hope you have a safe New Year, and I will see you in the new year in 2026. That's so crazy to say. I will see you in 2026 in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!